Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. Looks like I've got another service call to do in this room. I'm not quite sure what's going on. Actually, I do know what's going on. See this air conditioner? Pump, pump, pump all day long. If somebody leaves this vacation condo rental, and if they don't shut this air conditioner off, it runs all day long. And it really shouldn't be doing that, because a few years ago I installed this 4-hour electrical timer. You turn the timer on, it throws power over to the air conditioner, boom, you turn it on, and after, see right here, an hour and a half, after an hour and a half it times out. Even if they're down at the pool, they're down at the beach, they're having dinner, whatever it is, it's gonna click off. This one is not doing that. I wonder why. I better get this phone call first, then I'll tell you. Oh, I'm glad I took that call. Wheeler Dealer Video Joe. That's what my name should be, because I think I just worked something out that I've been working on. I can't really tell you about it right now because we're talking about this air conditioner and this 4-hour timer. This 4-hour timer has not been working properly. Lots of times it'll get stuck right in here, and I tested it out the other day, and sure enough it was sticking. If I had it turned too far as it's coming over, it was sticking like it wouldn't shut off. So that's why I have to go ahead and replace it, and that's what this video is going to be all about, is how to replace this 4-hour timer. And first off, I've got to turn off the breaker. Never work on anything without turning the breaker off. Now I'm going to have to see which one it is. I think this is master bedroom 13. Kaboom. Right there. Okay. That's the one I need. Now, see, that shut off the power. From that breaker there, the power used to go from here. Then I rewired this to run the power. When you turn the breaker off, the power comes to here. Then when you turn the timer on, the power goes back over to here, and that's plugged in. That's your air conditioner plug, and then your air conditioner works, okay? So, time to replace this 4-hour timer.